I am M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to start TCS Test Pattern 2023. Number of sections in TCS Test Pattern: Section A and Section B, also called Part A and Part B. Part A, Foundation section. Part B, Advanced section. Part A, first one, number 1, numerical ability. Number 2, verbal ability. Number 3, reasoning ability. Time duration 25 minutes. Number of questions depends upon the test pattern. 22 questions or 20 questions, maximum 25 questions. But time duration fixed, that is constant, 25 minutes. Advanced section, Section 1, advanced quantitative ability. Second, advanced reasoning ability. Third, advanced coding test. Part A, you concentrate only 3 subjects in aptitude. One is quant, reasoning and verbal ability. Part B, coding test also compulsory. A time duration, a quant 20 minutes, reasoning 15 minutes, coding 55 minutes. Its section-wise cut-off marks applicable in TCS test pattern. Section A, quant. B, verbal. C, reasoning ability. Cut-off marks, each section you maintain 60% and above, then only you are eligible to section Part B, that is advanced round. Advanced concentrate only quant, reasoning and coding, there is no verbal ability. This is about TCS test pattern 2023 passed out students. Section A and Section C, that is 1 and 3, these two are belongs to mathematical part, that is called aptitude. Verbal ability, general functional grammar, no email writing here, concentrate only basic grammar. Part A, questions level of difficulty basic to average level. Concentrate only complete concepts of the topics in quant as well as reasoning ability. But Part B, advanced, heading advanced means level of difficulty advanced only. I think section A 20 minutes, number of questions maximum only 10. One question 2 minutes. We have sufficient time because difficulty level advanced. Part A, foundation means basic level test, one question maximum only 1 minute. That is the difference. A basic, advanced. Next, no negative marks here. TCS test pattern specially for quantitative ability, on-screen calculator available. Don't worry about simplification, but generally campus placements a calculator not allowed to the exam because other papers pattern very simple, basic to average level. That questions No need to, I think calcs is not required. But TCS test pattern, level of difficulty advanced, then calculator allowed to the exam. That is on-screen calculator available. But no need to worry about simplifications. Worry about only logic of the problem. That application only important but not simplification. But other placements and other competitive exams important to only calculation. That is the difference between TCS and other companies. Next, here, next part A. Today topic name part A, numerical ability in TCS test pattern. Syllabus, numerical ability, heading numerical part. Numerical ability topics in TCS test pattern. First one, number system. I think 3 to 5. Minimum 3 marks, maximum 5 marks. Number system, one of the most important topic in TCS test pattern. Minimum 3 questions or belongs to only properties of numbers. Application only important means linear equations, quadratic equations, algebra methods, sets and indices, LCM and HCF, divisibility rule, simplifications, logarithm. Next, unit digit concept, remainder concept, number of zeros. These all topics are belongs to properties of numbers, means number theory or number system. Important. Second, statistics. I think minimum 2 questions, maximum 3, which are belongs to statistics topic. Statistics application, mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variance, range. These models are very important to statistics. Application part only important but not theory. The third one, time, distance and speed application. Fourth one, mensuration, means geometry also important as well as coordinate geometry also important. Especially 3D figures concept. Your volume and surface area concept questions are very important. Next, time and work. I think 1 or 2 questions are belongs to time and work. Next, ratio and proportion application only important. In ratio and proportion important subtopic, allegations or mixtures are allegations or mixtures. This is a topic very important, numerical ability. In next, simple interest and compound interest using basic formulas. Simple interest PT or by 100. Compound interest amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Next, when time compounded yearly, time compounded half yearly, time compounded quarterly. That methods only important to simple interest and compound interest. Second, the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Third method, EMI, equal monthly installment. These models are very important to simple interest and compound interest. Next, percentages, profit and loss. Ninth, data interpretation. 10th, permutations, combinations and probability. I think maximum 1 or 2 questions are belongs to only permutations, combinations and probability. I think TCS test pattern no need to prepare permutations, combinations and probability. Just you prepare only concept, no need to practice the problems, because maximum 1 mark only permutations, combinations and probability. Most of the questions are belongs to in numerical ability. First one, number system. Second, time, distance and speed. Third, profit and loss. Fourth, simple interest and compound interest. General questions, very very important to only. Numerical ability. It's not topics, but topics available. First, you prepare the topics, concepts as well as applications. Then you practice previous mock papers perfectly. Then enough to prepare TCS test pattern. TCS test pattern. Okay, right. The next paper 1. First question, numerical ability. Part A. Part A, foundation course. Section A, numerical ability. Time duration 25 minutes. Number of questions 20 to 22. 20 minimum, max 22 or 20 questions only. 25 minutes. Target 60%. I think 12 or 13 marks to 12 marks to qualify or 13 marks to qualify. No negative marks. Okay, right. First example, time, distance and speed. First example, a man has to travel 50 kilometers in 2 hours. First statement, total distance is 50 kilometers and the total time 2 hours. A distance 50 kilometers and the total time 2 hours. He could cover 20 kilometers in 1 hour. First case 1. Here case 1, distance 20 kilometers, time 1 hour. Then speed is equal to distance by time is equal to 20 by 1 is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. This is called first statement. A total distance 50 kilometers, 20 kilometers completed, remaining 30 kilometers. And time also, total time 2 hours, 1 hour completed, remaining 1 hour. Divided 2 parts. Next, and then had to stop for 10 minutes. A stopping time due to refueling. Stopping time, stop for 10 minutes means total a pending time only 1 hour. Is 10 minutes completed, remaining time duration 50 minutes. Okay, this is the second statement meaning. Pending distance 30 kilometers, pending time 50 minutes. Next, by what factor should be increase is speed with reference to that during the first hour, so has to be able to complete the journey as per schedule. A second case, here S1 is equal to 20 km per hour. Next, calculate speed of second case. A speed of second case is equal to distance by time. A distance 30 kilometers, time 50 minutes, minute convert into an hour divisible by 60 is equal to 30 into 60 divisible by 50 is equal to 36 km per hour. Here initial speed S1 is equal to 20 km per hour, S2 is equal to 30 km per hour. By what factor means S2 by S1, a 20 by 36 by 20 is equal to 1.8. Option B only correct. Suppose 20 into 1.8 is equal to 36 km per hour. Increase in speed is equal to 1 by 8 times of speed 1. So answer 1 by 8 only correct. This is about first example. Level of difficulty, foundation course, basic to average level. This is very very important. Time, distance and speed, just you prepare only application of the topic. Here important, speed is equal to distance by time. Second conversion, distance kilometer is given, time convert into a hour and point. We know that minute convert into a hour divisible by 60. Okay, then answer 1.8 kilometers. Okay, right. Second, what is the mean proportional? A mean proportional, which is belongs to ratio and proportion. What is ratio? What is proportion? Ratio means equality of numbers or objects. Proportion, the equality of ratios. Equality of numbers is called ratio. Equality of ratios is called proportion. But if calculate mean proportion, mean proportional is equal to root of AB is the formula. Mean proportional method, root of AB. A first number, B second number. This is the application of the topic. Next example. Between the MP, mean proportional of first bracket and second bracket. First we calculate first bracket mean proportion, second bracket mean proportion. Again finally calculate mean proportion of first box, first bracket and second bracket. That is our answer. The first one, root of AB, where A 2 by 7 and B 32 by 343 is equal to 64, means 8 by 49. Okay, first this is called first bracket mean proportional. If 32 into 2 for 64, 8 square 64. 7 into 343, 343, 7 cube. 7 cube into 7 to the power of 1, 7 to the power of 4. Next, root of 7 to the power of 4 is equal to 7 to the power of 2. That is 49. This is called first bracket mean proportion. Second bracket, again calculate mean proportion of second bracket. A 2 by 1 by 5000 is equal to 1 by 2500 is equal to 1 by 50. This is called second bracket mean proportion. You finally calculate mean proportion of first bracket and mean proportion of second bracket. Okay, is equal to 2 into 4, 2 into 25. Then answer 4 by 49 into 25 is equal to 2 by 7 into 5, 2 by 35. Option C only correct. This is about the second example method. Application important. A mean proportion method. Mean proportion. Mean means average. Average is nothing but middle number. By using proportion, calculate middle number. Suppose let us consider three numbers a comma x comma b or a comma b comma c. Convert into two ratios, a is to b, b is to c. Mean indicate middle value, calculate b value. Proportion definition, equality of two ratios or equality of ratios. A is to b is equal to b is to c. A by b is equal to b by c. B square is equal to AC. B is equal to root of AC. A first number, C third number. Or calculate middle number. Middle number is called B. Middle number is called B, root of AC. But here root of AB or root of AC. A first and B, generally B third. But using given information, first number and second number. Calculate middle of these two numbers. That answer is equal to 2 by 35. Next, third example, simplification, a percentage concept. If x plus 10 percentage of 240 is 60 percentage more than x percentage of 180, then 15 percentage of x plus 20 is what less than 25 percentage of x. Simplification example, there is no shortcut here, there is no logic here. Using percentage application, percentage is nothing but by 100. That is enough to solve the problem. Okay, right, simplification. The first statement, x plus 10 percentage indicate by 100 into x into 240 is equal to more than indicate 100 plus less than indicate 100 minus 60 percentage more, that is 160 percentage, 160 by 100 into 160 percentage into x 160 percentage into x into 180. Okay, in this equation calculate x variable. Simple technique. A first statement, x plus 10 of 240 is equal to 60 percentage more, that is 160 percentage of x into 180. Here of indicate multiplication. X by 100 into 180. X by 100 into 180. Here calculate x variable. Here next first statement 15 percentage of x plus 20. Calculate second 15 by 100. 15 by 100 into x plus 20. Second 25 percentage. 25 by 100 into x. Again calculate here percentage means this is equation number 2, equation number 1. The next equation 1 minus 2 divisible by 2 into 100 is equal to 16 percentage only correct. Option A. This is called simplification example. Here apply the direct method. Consider only percentage terminology. Percentage indicated by 100. Okay. This is called percentage topic question. Very simple. Important only simplification. Okay. Right. Next. Fourth one important, put star mark. Compound interest method. A sum of rupees 30,000, a sum indicate principal amount invested in a scheme where the interest gets compounded annually. Time condition only important. When rate of interest compounded yearly or compounded annually, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. A amount, P principal amount, T time or rate of interest per annum. Here amount 51,840, that is given 51,840. Principal amount to 30,000. Rate of interest not given. Calculate rate of interest. Time duration 3 years. First statement compounded yearly. Amount 51,840. Principal amount 30,000. Time 3 years. All terms are given except rate of interest. Here calculate rate of interest. Here next 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 whole cube is equal to 51,840 divisible by 30,000. Divisible by 30,000. 30,000. Okay. Right. Here next 3 into 1000. Next 3 into 17. 2 in 3 into 1728. 3 into 1728 is equal to 5,184 is equal to, this is called 12 by 10 whole cube. Okay, LHS RHS 12 by 10 whole cube. A 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 is equal to 12 by 10. You find out R by 10, R by 100 is equal to 12 by 10 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 10. Then R is equal to R 20 percentage. Okay, R is equal to 20 percentage. The second statement, how much interest would have got in 6 months in the same scheme at the interest being compounded quarter. This is important. Here compounded quarterly. Here compounded quarterly formula A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of 40. 1 quarter 3 months, total 4 quarters. Or rate of interest per annum 1 year or percentage, quarterly or by 4. In yearly we pay 4 times, then power 40. In next time duration only 6 months. Time duration only, second condition, time duration only 6 months. But month convert into a year divisible by 12. That conversion also important. Now substitute amount is equal to 30,000. Next 1 plus R by 100 or 20 by 4 by 100 whole to the power of 40. Time 6 months. Month convert into a year divisible by 12. Otherwise 4 into 6 24. That method it is not correct method. A time and rate of interest. A rate of interest per annum is given. Then time convert into a year. Rate of interest per month is given. Time convert into a month. That conversion important. Simple interest and compound interest. Next part simplification. 30,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power of 2. Next 30,000 5 by 2, sorry, 1 by 20. Here 21 by 20 whole square. 4 by 20 by 4 means 5 by 100 and 1 by 20, 21 by 20 whole square. Just to calculate only this value 30,000 because here in TCS test pattern on screen calculator available. Don't worry about simplification. I think this answer here 33,075. This is called amount. Therefore, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal amount is equal to 3075. Option B only correct. This is the method. This is called advanced question in numerical ability. A compound interest means complicated, means lengthy calculation. Simple interest means simple, that is easy calculation. Entire topic simple interest using only one method, that is PT or by 100. But compound interest not like that. Compound interest means first we calculate amount, next calculate compound interest. But compound interest completely using simplification depends upon power. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Time 3 years, up to 3 years easy calculation. More than 3 years that problem method lengthy and complex. Suppose time 10 years, that is highly impossible to calculate when time is equal to 10 years. We know the procedure, but using calculator, using pen, that 1 minute is not sufficient. But maximum questions are belongs to in compound interest. Time duration 2 years, 3 years, maximum 4 years. When time is equal to 1 year, no need to apply compound interest. Just to calculate only simple interest, because simple interest for 1 year is equal to compound interest for 1 year. Up to 1 year, rate of interest is equal to same. Next, example number 5. If 5 to the power of x into 3 to the power of y is equal to 225 into 405. Find the value of x to the power of 2y minus 3x. This is called number theory example. Properties of numbers means simplification. Here 225 is equal to 5 into 4. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5 means 45 into 5. 45 into 5, 225. 45 means 9 into 5, 5 into 5 is equal to 5 into 5 to the power of 2. Second, 405. 405 again convert into in terms of 3 and 5. 9 means this is called 3 square. 3 square into 5 square. Similarly, 5 into 8 and 5 into 81 is equal to 5 into 9 square. A total 225 into 405 is equal to 3 square into 5 square, 5 into 9 square. The 5 into 9 square means this is 3 to the power of 4. The total number of 5 is 3. Total number of 3 is 6. Here comparing LHS and RHS, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. Now substitute here, x is equal to 3. 2y, 2 into 6 minus 3 into x, 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. Option B only correct. This is called number theory. Properties of numbers. Okay, easy method. Here RHS convert into a in terms of 3, and calculate total number of 3s, calculate total number of 5s. Number of 3s 6, number of 5s 3. Therefore, comparing LHS and RHS, x value is equal to 3, y value is equal to 6. The next part easy, that is only simplification. Answer option B only correct. Next, sixth example, time and work concept. If X is 4 times as efficient as Y, okay, suppose consider A and B. A is 4 times as efficient than B, that is A is equal to 4B, first statement. This is belongs to time and work. Work is always inversely proportional to the time. Work always inversely proportional to the time. A is equal to 1 by 4 into B. Let A is equal to X, B is equal to 4X. This is called first statement meaning. Second, working together means A plus B. Working together indicate A plus B. They complete the work in 16 days. A plus B work 16 days means A plus B one day work is equal to 1 by 16. A one day work 1 by X. B one day work 1 by 4X is equal to 1 by 16. LCM 4X, numerator 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 16. Then X is equal to 4 plus 1. 4 plus means 20. X means 20 days. X means A work is equal to 20 days. Then B work or Y work is equal to 4X. 4 into 20 is equal to 80. Once again, method very simple. Time and work concept, only one notation only important to time and work. Work is always inversely proportional to the time. Then A work 10 days, A one day work 1 by 10 days. Same method apply here. A is equal to 4B, A is equal to 1 by 4 into B, 4 inverse 1 by 4 into B. Let A and B, A plus B 1 by 16. A is equal to X 20 days, B 4X 80 days. But here calculate only half of the work. Half of the work means 80 by 2 is equal to 40. Option A only correct. Calculate only Y work. Half the work, total 40 days. Half of the work 80 by 2 is equal to 40. Okay? Right. Next, seventh example. In a competitive exam, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and for every wrong answer 2 marks are deducted. Satvik 32 marks in this examination. If 4 marks has been awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark had been deducted for each incorrect answer, Satvik would have scored 34 marks. If Satvik attempted all the questions, how many questions were there in the test? General simplification question. Suppose consider total correct answers X, total wrong answers Y. Total number of questions, correct answer plus wrong answer is equal to total number of questions. In next A correct means plus operator, wrong means minus operator. A number of correct answers X, number of wrong answers Y. First statement, 5 marks awarded for every correct answer. Correct answer marks. Each correct answer 5 marks, total correct answer marks 5 into X. Wrong answer, number of wrong answers Y, each wrong answer 2 marks means 2Y. Number of total marks is equal to 5X. Total wrong marks 2Y. Next, total marks, correct answer minus wrong answer. That is 5X minus 2Y is equal to 32. This is equation number 1. Similarly, second statement, if 4 marks correct and wrong just only 1 mark means Y is equal to 34. This is equation number 2. Linear equation. Equation 2 multiplied by 2. Then 5X minus 2Y is equal to 32. Next, 8X minus 2Y is equal to 68. Equation 1 minus 2. Next, minus 3X, Y term cancel. Minus 68 minus 32. 36, x is equal to 12. Where x is equal to 12, find y by using first statement. 6 from equation number 1, 60 minus 2y is equal to 32. Next, 60 minus 32 is equal to 2y. Then y is equal to 24. Y 24, x 12. Therefore, total means x plus y. 12 plus 24 is equal to 36. 12 plus 14, I think this is for 14, 14, 26 only correct, option D. This is the method. Easy calculation, but question is very lengthy, but answer very simple. Apply only linear equation, correct answer plus operator, wrong answer minus operator. Total marks is equal to correct answer minus wrong answer is equal to total marks. This is about linear equation method. Okay. Next, eighth example. A sum invested on simple interest grows to rupees 22,500 and rupees 25,500 in 7 and 9 years respectively. What is the rate percentage of the interest? First statement, here amount given. These are called amount. Some principal amount not given. A first statement, amount 22,500 in 7 years, 25,500 in 9 years. Find the rate of interest per annum. A first method, 22,500 in 7 years. Next, 25,500 in 9 years. Simply equation 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. Here amount difference, a 25,000, 22,500, sir, 25,500, 22,500. Next amount difference, only 3,000. 3,000 time duration 2 years. By using first statement and second statement, amount gap 3,000, time gap 2 years. That is 2 years interest is equal to 3,000. Then 1 year interest is equal to 3,000 by 2, 1,500. 1 year interest only 1,500. Next, from first equation number 1. From first equation, amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest for 7 years. First statement, time 7 years. Then calculate simple interest for 7 years. Amount 22,500. Find principal amount, simple interest for 7 years. 1 year 1,500. 7 years, 7 into 1,500. Therefore, principal amount is equal to 22,500 minus 10,500 is equal to 12,000. A principal amount 12,000. By using formula, SI is equal to PT or by 100. A simple interest for 7 years. Simple interest for 7 years 10,500. Principal amount 12,000. Time 7 years. Calculate rate of interest per annum. The rate of interest per annum is equal to 10,500 into 100 divisible by 12,000 into 7 is equal to 12.5 percentage per annum. Option D only correct. This is about 8th example, simple interest topic method. Once again, simple interest is equal to PT or by 100. Amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. First statement, amount to 7 years, amount to 9 years. Find out simple interest for 1 year. From using first statement or second statement, calculate principal amount. Next method, SI is equal to PT or by 100. Okay, then our rate of interest is equal to 12.5 percentage per annum. Okay, this is about TCS numerical ability paper 1. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.